We're here at Zion National Park, about almost 2 miles into the Narrows. And if you've seen my earlier videos, you know just how crowded this park has been all day today, given that it's Memorial Day weekend 2021. But as you can see now, just almost 2 miles in, the crowds have really thinned out, and we're getting to the really good part. So if you look straight ahead, the canyon gets even narrower, which makes for an even more fun vista. And we're gonna go check it out. So let's go together, shall we? Let's go explore. Remember, watch your footing. Into the narrows of the narrow. The narrower. Okay, I'll stop. Here we go. Let's take a look up. So cool. All right, let's see. Shall we go left, right, or center? The current here is actually pretty strong. I'm certainly working muscles in the leg to just pull my feet along in the water. And we're hiking upstream, so certainly fighting the current this way. Ooh, about knee deep right now here. Oh, it is slippery. Very cool. And there's almost no one here now.